Oh, surprise raid. Interesting choice of raid target. Hello, Kochi. Funny to see you here. What? Wow, I got shaved. Carlito. But hello, Kochi. What were you up to? Would you like to share what you were doing during your stream? Always love to hear what people did on their streams. um. Okay, let's see. Where did I left off? That was a fun time. Yeah, I'll continue doing. I was messing around with coding before we did the surprise. Here's my stuff I was working on here, and I'm going to see if I can change it up or to the exciting part of a net standard 2.1 instead, and see if that resolves my issue. Very exciting stuff, I know. And I was talking about taking a shower before I left to take a shower. I don't know where the conversation went from there. No, the conversation is all over the place. Raid, Kochi raided with fun. Kochi, oh, I usually don't mention you can. Kochi raided and was playing Euro Truck Simulator 2. What a surprise! You were playing it too? But raid. I thought it would be the best way to end it. I mean, yeah, that is how I know some other collabs have been in that. If um, if you do a collab and then the other person is going to continue, the person who is going to stop streaming raids the person continuing. But I didn't want to. I'm not going to say that's in any way required, and you're free to raid whoever you want. I wasn't sure if you were going to raid or not, because in the case when I collab this thing about the time when I was collabing with Wata, he do ask like, "Are you going to continue?" And I can raid you. Like, he made it very obvious. I wasn't sure if you had someone else in mind. But I really appreciate it. Hello again, raiders. The people you were chatting with the shared chat is now in the chat. But Carlito, what the? I'm baby shark. You know, just trucking with cute bunny mates. That sounds imagine. That sounds amazing. I wish I could join your maid truck. Also, of course, hello everyone who was in chat before, but hello anyway. QJ and Sleepy. And some of you were in my chat at the same time you were in Coach's chat. And probably people are missed because there's a lot of messages. Crazy. I assume that's how you want it to be read. And not crazy. What do you miss? 360 points to spend. Carlita got a peach. You get your daily fruits while you're here. Oh, what a wild surprise. Yeah, I hope you have some good breakfast. Whatever you get, feel free to share. What? Feel free to share what you're getting, as in write what you're getting. But you can also send me something. No, I wish I could have some. Yeah, I'm still learning etiquette with collabing. I realize after we. No, don't you worry. I will not in any way put any demands. You do what you want, which in return I would like to do what I want. But obviously, uh, like yeah, I think that sounds the first. So I don't think too much about it. Thanks, Bonfon, and thanks for stream. Hi, Coach is amazing, funny. So what I've been trying to do here, if anyone is actually curious about what I'm writing here, is that I try to write a code. In that case, I should kind of revert. Okay, let's a code that will handle money for. for StreamBot currency unit. So I will delete this. How do I delete? How do I delete the whole? Okay, let's close the whole program then, I guess. And then start a new neutrals. Okay, let's start it up again. Okay, I got them here. I'll try this experiment. Okay, how do I remove from list? Now I need to delete it. Okay, I got the let's see if I can locate it. See user spawn document. Oh, it's not. Source repos. There we go. And then there's one extract delete. There we go. And now I can remove from list. And now let's try create a new one. Oh, it's not showing up on screen. Now it shows up on the screen. I can make it bigger too, I guess. Holy shit, it's Rabbit software, yeah. So I'm going to create a class library. Yeah. And this one is going to be called money struct because it's going to create a struct, which is money. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope so. So yeah, so it's a refund, right? Okay, I don't really need to be a maid anymore, I guess. And what's that for? For the collab. So yeah, I guess this is not might be the most exciting. But I initially started with this today because I really felt down. But collabing with Kochi has really helped me emotionally, and I do feel much better now, despite my quite sore state. So I'm going to switch over to 2.1 and see if that solves it, because I think StreamBot runs on that's standard 2.1. Okay, and now it's created, and now let's switch to a new window. There we go. So here I should be able. Okay, this one is just this thing. Oh wait, no, delete. That's the first step you do. You delete it, and then add a class. And class is going to be called money. Because that's okay. Okay, now it has a bunch of other stuff. So I assume I'm just going to paste the old code in here, and yeah. And now it works because now it has the get hash code. But it still does this. There we go. Now it's good. Did go an error before, but no, it didn't. Good. Everything seems to look okay here. Save. Release. Build solution. Solution build. Good. And I will copy this over to StreamBot as a new file. And oh, I didn't tell what happened. Well, I did tell everyone on stream at the start of the stream that what happened was that I was biking way too fast. I was a daredevil. I was driving down a bicycle path, and then turned to the right around a blind corner. And as I did that, there was someone biking in the opposite direction on my right side. So they were biking on the left side, which is the wrong side, because you should bike on the right side. And then that ended in their crash. My fault for going so fast, their fault for biking on the wrong side. So. Yeah, so that happened. So here is this thing in, let's make it smaller. So I imported here, and I imported DLL here as well. And then I also imported the, I need this one. If I delete it. Oh yeah, yeah, okay. So it needs, I need the, can't I, do I really need to add it manually? I can't just, yeah, and then I add it back. But then like, predefined as type system void is not defined or imported. Wait. I think I need to make sure the imports are correct. Oh no, sorry that happened. Yeah, I mean it's my fault. Hugs. There's a hug command. There's also a hug emote. Oh wait, it may not have actually the hug emote. Also, you're VIP. Congratulations, Sleepy. The VIPs VIPs is distributed by a system. So I will see. I will type here, like I will send the code and the error messages. Oh yeah, I can just copy that. Let's see here. And then yeah, when did that happen? Oh, when you got it. Actually, it might have happened today. Oh no, I can't scroll back enough. Wait, I can actually click it. Because I think some gain and lost VIPs at the start of this stream, because it does update the VIPs at the start of every stream. So you gather your points. If you do exclamation point with VIP, you will see the what your current score is. And it's the 20 people who aren't mods or bot who will get VIP. It was today, yeah, I didn't see a similarity today. Well, it did show up. Like it didn't show up during the stream. It can only update at the start of the stream. That's how I made it. Yeah, so you got 21 points. So you're actually in 18th position out of the 209 users who have points. That gives you VIP. And 10 points that you gathered today. That means that you will climb to the 12th position. And that also means that you will have a harder time losing it. Oh, that's 808 points. Despite me having a really short stream yesterday. I had a really short stream because it was yesterday I had a biking accident. And I really tried, but it really fell down. So I really wanted to stream today to like get back to. Actually, now that I check the log, no VIP changes were happening today. So Sleepy got the VIP much earlier. Must have been last collab or something. Since your messages, I wonder if it still triggers on your message. If it still triggers on messages that are not on. Because before I updated it, because this shared chat was something new, so Streambot wasn't aware of it and triggered on everything. But now Streambot is aware of it, so therefore, if you do like the quote command or add quote, it must be done on my stream for it to trigger. But I do want, but maybe it doesn't count people writing in the shared chat unless they actually write in my chat. It might be good to keep it at that actually, because kind of awkward at the same time to have a shared chat and have new people who has never been on my chat will probably not show up on my chat, gather up a lot of points and then become VIP to not show up for quite a while. It covers the last 20 streams, so after I've done 20 streams and you haven't written a single message, you will have 0 points and therefore definitely lose VIP. You'll probably lose VIP before the 20 streams is gone. So it's just active a lot over the recent streams. Is the idea? Quote, make pump on wet and chill with fire. Okay, we're going to have some ads, but I'll continue through the ad. Papa Can is writing scary character. Using system IO string folder path. Windows system says vector release folder path. Cool stuff. You want to add that to your bot? That people are allowed to write a file path, and then it will run the directory delete on it, or a folder path. No shared chat stuff. Yeah. Happy Thursday, Pun Pun. And what is Thursday called for you, Papa Canis? Because you have winning for every day, I guess. Unless you have ads at the moment, then sorry about that. Seems legit. I guess it's a legit code if I wasn't really going to test it though. If you think. Okay, let's see if I can. Look this up. Okay, let's see here. And there we go. Copy. No, these are errors. Errors. Oh, there's so many errors. Dream friend wrote his own HTML page for shared chat on screen before Twitch added it. Was great, great overlays thing. Was even color coded for each of 4 channels. That would be Dom, right? Dom Dynamite. I think he did it. But it's definitely convenient. But that was only on screen shared chat. So it's a nice. But it was nice being on one channel and then being able to write to someone else and see their message show up on screen and you could communicate with them. Yeah, Dom wrote that. Um, Correct. It was cool. Okay, so apparently if I try to use okay, I'm trying to figure out how to do this. Okay, so apparently it says that I can't use net standard 2.1 in stream, but it has been net standard 2.0. And I mean, sure, it might be correct. So I will let's recreate it in net. I'm not gonna say that wrong. I will but while we have a lot of people here, there's still a thing, the other thing I've been working on. Let me show it. Okay, where do we have it? I'll see. Ah. Oh, there it is. Boom. This thing is one that I worked on. This is the Sabason. Yes, so this is the Sabasan. So just goals we should reach to do stuff with for Pon. And if you have ideas that you would like, if this, which I think I said on server, if there are things that I have refused to do or just pushed aside, I guess I don't know, I'd like something I said that I'm going to do but still haven't done it. But you want me to still do it, we could add it as a goal here that if you actually manage to reach it, we get to we will I will have to do it. So if you have some crazy ideas, I'm afraid. Only on screen, yeah. Are you still fighting custom class? Yes. I want to make a custom DLL. That's what I'm doing at the moment. I'm trying to make a money struct. And I'm willing to share it with you when I get it to work. Okay, switch it back to this and that's 2.0. Because the money struct is going to be designed in such a way that you're going to define money with it. Should I just not create it? Should I just deal with money through another method? Probably. I thought there was a good chance for me just learning how to create my own data type. But it's not going that well because reasons. Yeah. And yeah, I had to do 5-minute doodles per person with but maximum number of doodles. Gotta decide how many points that one should be worth. How are points calculated? Yeah, points. I want to come up with a name for the points, but the points will be 2.5 USD. So what I kinda got out of us, which is kinda what I get from a mobile sub from the United States. Web sub is closer to those 3. It's kind of like in between. I want to give it a name other than just points, because Merfrog have their event and they call it shells. We could call it something else if someone has an idea. So you just give subscriptions, bit, direct donations through PayPal, and anything, and I will just figure out how many USD that is. And well, it's very easy with bits. 100 bits is 1 USD, so 1 bit is 1 cent. This is what is, and that's why I wanted to create this money thingy, because some people can donate money in any currency, as well as make payments on subscriptions in any currency. So I kind of wanted to build this money thing, so when you do a donation, it checks. Yeah, it has functions. I could show you everything it has if you're curious. It's very exciting stuff. Oh, so exciting stuff. Yep, look at this exciting code we got going here. So here we have the how it handles the number of decimals a currency has, because some plenty of currencies do not have decimals, and so most have 2 decimals. That's where that will be acting as a default, but these are the overrides. And then I have the currency symbols. It's not really something I will utilize, but I just added it. I will complete this list later. And it will store the value as a long string, a long unit, which is a 64-bit integer, and it will store the currency code as a string. And then you can do like you should be able to set it both as a long as and a decimal, but for some reason when I tried to set it as a decimal, it rejected it. So I probably can't just set it like this. Yeah. Because if you set it long, you're setting the minor unit, because it stores everything in minor units, so it doesn't deal with decimals. The decimals only comes into play when it wants to show it, when you want to show it as a string. Or in this case, if we want to add a decimal, it will add it in the major unit, not unit. And then you can extract it as to byte, to short, to int, although it shouldn't be called minor or major, it should just be to byte, to short, to int. I'll have to correct that as well. Yeah, and the string is going to have a complicated system to figure it out. We got a bunch of stuff here. And you can add and subtract, but it does have a error if currency must match if you're going to add and subtract them. Multiplication is just going to be done with a factor. And division is it's just numbers. Yep. And it has comparison and stuff. It does have all this stuff. And then you can add if you don't want, because it does have the plus operator, which you have to do currency plus currency. But I guess it should also allow adding on top just a number. But it does have add major and add minor as functions as well. The major would require you to use it as a decimal, minor is the long unit. So, yeah, cool. Nerdy stuff. I'm a nerdy bunny. Wait, what did it change? But this one is the one I'm kind of focused on. This is a silly emote. I'm excited for doing emotes for coaching. I can build this, but when I try to use this one, it just results in errors. Unfortunately, because it would be so nice to just have a deal that work. Oh, I don't actually know how does the two. Because I get an error with system void. System void is not defined or imported, is what I mean. Also, system boolean is not defined or imported. Object and integer string and everything. Everything. Unfortunately. What I think I need is. What does it always go back to? Yeah, specific folder start. I probably need this .NET Standard 2.0, but I don't know where to find it. Uh, okay, I can install it. Have to go to. I know it's not standard. I want. So I should be able to add and remove. There we go. That's framework 3.5. Yes, here we go. No, that's not what I'm looking for. What did they call it? Netcore. Wait, Netcore? But I don't want Netcore. I want Net Standard. Maybe they're the same. Net Framework. Okay, I don't have what I'm looking for in this list. I just get a download for it. It's not. Someone have .NET Standard. It's playing around. Just lying around. Okay, I guess this is just getting too complicated. Maybe I'll just have to drop this idea. It was a shame because I wanted to create my own custom DLLs for stuff. But I can't get it to work, so unfortunately I have to give up on that idea. I gave it a try. And it didn't work. Well, it is what it is. But it's, yeah. Oh, Niji with the daily fruit. A lemon. People are getting lemons today. Would you like to trade? I would like to take the lemon. If there's something I have that you would like. No one's changed my outfit. I'm still a maid. Papa Candy's got a pizza. Oh my. Then I'm changing my outfit manually. So pizza. Ooh, coaches for the pizza. Maybe we can do some trades, Kochi. What fruits do you have? Do you want a pizza? I can give you a pizza if you give me some. Messages in Discord. Yeah, I mean, I don't think it would hurt posting the suggestion here. Um, well, look at that. I guess you haven't managed to get enough fruits that I'm looking for. I gave you most of my lemons for free. Yeah, exactly. And you could have got a pizza for it. For all of them. Yeah. I think two. No, was it more? Well, laser only shows one. Well, I think two in total. What do you mean is showing off the collection? Showing off that collection. Yeah, checking. Yeah, it's two lemons. After the basic a basic fruit has a 4 times bigger chance of appearing than a royal fruit. So if you get 2 more lemons, I could give you a pizza for the total of 4 lemons. A lot of mistake of being kind to Pon. I missed out on pizza. That is a quote. For sure. I did say multiple times, like, are you sure you just want to give it to me? Because I can give you something for it in return. No, I'll be fair to you. I'll be fair. I'll give you. It's all good. I'm just teasing him, but I want to be nice to you. I don't take it seriously. No, this fruit business is serious business. That's why um someone who really liked certain fruits disappeared and don't want to deal with fruits anymore. Good people might even. It's just apparently serious business. I don't know if it's 2 people. Because I know one person got upset that they didn't get the fruits they wanted, and they said that they disappeared because of the internet. Well, they said beforehand that they would disappear because they are not going to have any more internet, and they have been gone from my stream since. But what I have noticed is that they have added tag on Discord to their user, which is something you have to do manually and which didn't exist when the person left, but was added after. I'm sure. So the person has an internet to use Discord or something. I wonder if the person's just hiding from me. I'm getting paranoid now. No, I'm not. I mean, if the person doesn't want to show up on my stream anymore, it's fine. The fruit mafia is after me for my lemon death. You're not in lemon death. Imagine if they had negative lemons. I was going to say, I want. No, actually. Yes. Imagine if they had negative lemons. Fun. And Italy goes in and makes you. Okay, there we go. Oh, it doesn't work. I wonder how I wrote the code. I set your lemons to -2, but it didn't work. No negative fruits for you. Oh, but isn't it a good thing you can't be in that? Wait, why is this one disabled? Oh, should be disabled. Anyway. Oh, that's a problem. Oopsie doopsie. I don't know what damage done is. I hope. Thinking about the head pets appreciated. Kochi, is there anything you would like to have as a goal on the subathon on the streamathon that you would say like that's something that's something I want Pon to do. Let's make it a goal. Exactly, wait for an answer. I'd have to think, yeah. Some of the things that are already on list looks interesting, don't they? Yeah, hope did a sub today. Wait. No. That's the wrong one. There you go. Pon hands out all of her fruits out to Kochi. What? Is that what it... You want my fruits? I still don't have a hot dog. I'm still waiting for when I redeem a hot dog. Yes, I don't have any pears to give. Euremian for more banana. I need more pears. Good sub coal. I don't think. I did add like cold snow killer designs and outfit for Pon Pon. I don't know if that's a good goal to have. But speaking of outfits, while that thing I wanted to do didn't work, I'll put that on hold and I'll fix it later. But what I can do now, oh, you want to see how I should go and ask for hot dogs from? Okay, I got some people to ask from for hot dogs from. What I could do is complete the Pon Pon outfit because I was supposed to do the transfers. I started on it, but I never finished it. So why don't I go and finish it? Yeah. What I'm more curious is who is actually holding on to all the pairs. Porter girl. Porter girl, I need your pairs. Please. You got 16 of them. You got so many. Are there any fruits you want? Any fruits you want I could give you? There we go. I'm not sure if I like this cat this way. If I search for striped trans skirt. Hmm. I guess it's just too much pink. Maybe it's because it's too much pink. Wait, that's possible. You can have that. Too much pink. So what if I do like more like that? Or drawing too much? I know I'm making even more pink now, but give me a moment. I know the irony for making it more pink. Du, du, du. So like that. I think that might be better. Honestly, Pon Pon, you don't have to keep that goal. I'd rather chat voice on a poll. Poll. Oh, you think that would be better? It was a funny goal though. Okay, I'm going to. Oh, that's the wrong one. Why do I have so many windows here? Okay. Georgie the bite is the nice. Yeah, okay. Let's lead the road then. Let's delete it. I could set this to like 90, but I feel like that's kind of high for this thing. But I do a doodle per person. Or should I call it sketch? 5 minute sketch. Can be anything you want. Well, my usual restriction, of course. You know what? I should go pick up some food. And then get some energy back. And then I should like complete this fast stretch, which is kind of behind this window. There it is. How about that? Okay. Give me just, let's say 3 minutes. That should be hopefully enough. I hope. Okay, I just found out that Tom Kenny, guy who voices Fire, SpongeBob, and others, also voiced a recurring character in the show called Mission Hill. I'm not sure about that. I know. I'm not sure. I haven't heard about that. Okay, I'll be right back. Yeah, you like long shafts, don't you? Anyway, don't wait. Oh look, it's fat. Look how cute it is, all fat. I think I got every gem so far. Come on. Happy eating. Ow. Ow. Oh, neat. Ow. Not so neat. Okay. Sure. Whoa! Where did that go? Oh, it landed in the water. Okay. Thank you. But I did not expect that to happen. Just flew into space.
Like, I don't know. My persona is a bunny because bunnies are my favorite. Bunnies are my favorite because they have the ability to not fire rocket.
I see your future. I see a shining light. You're going towards it. You're dead. It was a train. You, if I recall correctly, and that was the thing you could do on Crystal. You move a pop. Excuse me, I'm talking here. I wish I could ride my Pokemon. Oh, yeah. Speaking of saying weird stuff. Yeah. Just look away. Pretend like you just didn't say that. There we go. Easy peasy. Oh, I have now healed. Oh, okay, no, okay. I guess not. But not. Into. Haha, nice job. You won. But this doesn't sound like victory music. That sounded like very dramatic though. You think you've won? Well, you have. Congratulations. Well, you have. Congratulations. That one I had 12 episodes before it was cancelled, sadly. Oh. Well. Bunny. So for the top portion, so this would be the skirt. Put in a folder and call it skirt. Let's see, guys can behind this, come behind Polygon. And then there's the like the top. which would be the Mission Hill. It was so ahead of its time, especially the episode with Andy needing a new job after losing his old one. Hey, which time was this from? Um. Okay, I'm going to see. Okay, I want to. Okay, not really getting what I'm looking for. Character had no name. Oh, officially he was referred to as concerned businessman, but fans referred to him as in his perfect EP because every time he showed up, he'd just whisper over and over to random people. What character is that? But because the show was cancelled early, he only appeared twice. Is that recurring? I guess it is. 2 up to 12 episodes. Yeah, we never got to learn more about this character. The exciting adventures of Kiki. Okay, let's do. Let's see if I can get again like a. I was also thinking about the skirt portion here. No, I was seeing the white part here. Yeah. I was thinking like I could make it transparent. Then you will see. It is just long enough. One has to move carefully wearing this. I want to dress like this. Well, I kind of do with the cheerleader dress I have. It is short that if I do stretch my arms, you can see my boy shorts. Guess I have to be careful. I guess that should be a drawing at one point. I like the episode where old Virgus randomly had a knife in his head, and he wasn't bothered by it. The only explanation he gives about how it got there is guy attacked me on the bridge. That's true. Well, I wonder what weapon that guy was using. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, the show that sounds kind of crazy. Well, I guess that's a show to watch. But watch all the show with Hill in the name. The thing of like how I would do the stripes here. And he just keeps it through the entire episode. Should keep it through the rest of the show. That's just what Kyle looks like now. Higher than a kite. Hmm. So I guess I don't have too much to add one drawing, but So we can't call this drawing because this is making this too big, right? Like that. When he's working at the restaurant and a customer just keeps staring at Gus and says, "What? Never seen a guy with a knife in his head before or something?" Well, guess not. Not sure how often I've seen that. I guess in some places it's not uncommon. Something like that. Otherwise, let's see. This one. Would need to connect this one. Don't know that really turned out how I wanted it. Okay, the top should be laid underneath the sketch. Okay. Easy as this. Make it a bit better. Going to be much better doing outfits in 3D. Which is something I'm better at. It's really fun. Cold might like that show. Cold probably seen this show. I don't remember. But yeah. You must have seen the show or something. Did you comment on things from the show? Um. Abwa. Hello, Sane. Okay. I don't know. Alex, can I read? I just feel like I have better control of what the what it looks like when I do it in 3D. Okay. Whoop. Whoop, whoop. Think about heads back code. Wait. Yep, in it. There you go. Okay, wait. Didn't go with pink. Okay, I should come to the international place. Thank you for the bikini coat. Now I'm cold because I'm wearing bikini. Hmm. Speaking of bikini, no, it just made me like. I should do make that drawing. What? Coachy. No, that was too much. How to hang off the shirts I washed earlier. Ooh, nice fresh shirts. Lovely. Green is a nice fresh washy shirt. Washy? I don't know what I'm speaking about anyway. No, washy shirt. Yeah, that's perfect. Just weird without the belly. I mean, it works, right? It's not like perfect, but I said it's going to be easier to make this in 3D than 2D. There we go. So this is going to be exported as one outfit. Do I call this one? I guess trans dress. Trans dress is like the most reasonable name. I do also need to save this as a redeem cliche. Oh, back to my normality. No more bikini time. Okay, so like the outline is a bit thicker. Thicker. Okay, that seems a bit correct. I guess more like it. Strength. I need to save it in every size. When it gets this small, sometimes I'm like, cleaning up this shape. I see. But I will include it. It makes the tiny icon a bit clearer. Even if it's just a tiny difference. But then it should be a bow together with it. Yeah, I do have that bow, but I'm not sure. Oh, yes. For this outfit, I also might want to make some alterations. Since Magical Girl, but True Girl likes to redeem it. Maybe there should be like. Did I add Gardevoir as one of the Pokemons? I think I did. But maybe I should check. Um, Gardevoir is actually not on the list. I wonder if Gardevoir is a fur option. Gardevoir as a cosplay for 3D Pun. But if I should go and just follow the trend, I should have like. I need to only change my icon and nothing else. I have no problem with it. I'm just curious. I'm confused. But if I'm going to follow my trend of cosplaying as a Pokemon with wearing a trainer's outfit, then which trainer would be associated with which trainer is associated with God of War? There you go, that's a bow. If I go to Wikipedia and search for God of War, wait, some of the Discord links will be broken. I should post them on. Um, is there oh, Streambot is a bit of an issue. I'm gonna see. Oh, here you go. Here's the one person who has. There's a problem with Pokemon that already looks like they have an outfit. We'll see. I'll add it for now. The war. Well, there we go. I added God of War to the list as well. And then we'll just see. when I get to those outfits. If I want to go through with her, I mean. There you go. That's bow. The bow is not, of course, fully completed. I'm ruining the illusion. Trace behind. There we go. I guess that's the one. And I assume it. Do you want something else with? It says that I also came in with a red from Koshi, which is technically a shame. But to my scent. 25 points today, nicely done. Porter girl, are you here? I see that you did redeem just now. I wanted to ask you if you'd like to do this outfit. Since this outfit is just the regular dress but turned white and without the straps. I wanted to alter it a bit to make it more different. Is there anything you would like to see on it? So it's more different from the regular dress. I do have ideas, but I want to. Okay, so let's add another outfit. Okay, so this one would be stress. I will change into her. Strength, speed, grace. 5 minutes. How about a reward? Okay, then I'll edit it from here instead then. Just posting random emotes. You're live. Oh yeah, live. Okay, I mean it's just edit. Range dress. Strength. Themed dress. 5 minutes. Same. Oh. Yeah, I'm not allowed to. There we go. Apparently, they do not allow you to have word trials in the redeem description. Seems a bit strange phobic to me. Why isn't it really strange of them to have such limitations? You can't celebrate your. Oh, I'm a very dark bunny. You can't celebrate your choices. No, I should go to redeems. I'm going to upload the redeem icons. There we go. And now I just need to set it up so it can actually trigger here. So I go to outfits. Here it is. And here I will add another trigger. One more trigger. Twitch redemption. Transfers. Then I have this one that will handle the outfits themselves. I will add Dragon's dress, and that should be same names here. Important to get the names right, otherwise it won't display it. It's a dress. There we go, it's been added there, and then it should be added to the Wallace list one. Here it is. Good. Then I think that is everything. Then it should work. So if I enable this redeem, you should be able to redeem the transfers now. Evil Ponpon looks cute in white. Well, I do have that one goal of having Evil Ponpon as an actual character redeem. Yep. Wait, Elegant Dresses was 6 minutes ago. Well, I guess that one will run out at any time. It must be redeemed at the same time. Something. Could go check what the actual remaining time of the Elegant Dress is. My search. Oh. For me editing it froze it. Okay. Good thing I have a command to start it again. Just need to remember what's something like outfit start or something. Nope. What was it again? Oh, wait, it was outfit start. But I said that I had a space in it, but I will set the space off in case I write outfit start again. I should do it. No? Okay, what is I'll do this. You should ignore if it's running or not. Outfit start. Okay, now. There you go. Now it works. Now it's swapped, sorry. There you go. Look at me. Now it's double Ponpon in the same outfit. Let's hide this distracting Ponpon. Oh no, you made me bleed. Why? Really strong blue as well. Yeah, this is just my standard dress. Oh, my standard dress is still in there. I also have this if I want. Different color stripes. Um, yeah, it's just a regular dress. I'm getting the proportions again. Yes, we can see here in my original sign here. Oh, plan elegant dress be white with a pink strap on it. But I changed my mind. Changed my mind on that. Okay, here's some changes I could do to this dress. What if I remove this? And this. Like that. And then I connect these parts again. And now I'm back to my normal fur color. I found a model of music. Follow music standard revision school only 65. What's the music stand like? Well, more exactly what it is. I assume it's something to stand, something related to music. And was the one she had at school good? It's like a sheet music stand. Okay, that looks great. A stand to hold sheet music. Oh yeah. A sheet music stand. The body citron carcass says hi again. Hello. Hello. Hello, hello. I'm going to make a slight changes to this outfit. Oh, please see. Undressed. Free underwear without any redeem. Oh my. Can't have that now, can we? A standard tone sheet music. Okay, we'll not have those. That I don't need. Okay, I don't know if this looks bad. So if I turn is black to back. Back to black. That's opposite of black. That's white. Is this like? Now it looks a bit too plain instead. Okay, let's go back. So before I did all that, but this is Anna Foley. Because what I could do is still have this line. Shreks is kissing Pon Pon. Pon Pon getting all blushy. Pon Pon will get all blushy. Pon Pon got kisses from Roxy's. Yeah, that's not like bad. Okay, no. Not an improving. Raj symbols are expensive. Oh. Yeah, I guess so. Music has been in general expensive. No, it doesn't look good. Don't look good. Hmm. Bunny suit. Yes, we're gonna get a bunny suit after the trench dress is over. Trench dress is a new outfit. That's what's being redeemed a bunch now. No, but we redeem it because it's very short. And if it's really fun with animation and everything, or maybe yeah, I don't think this is an improvement. Now, I guess I'll change it in. Now I'm bunny suit. Probably change it in when it comes to 3D instead. Hello, Pun love the transfers, thank you. I just completed it today. So it's one of the new outfits you can choose from. Are you feeling happy with that? Or there is this ring having today. Maybe I'll make it an emote anyway. As in, this will be an emote. I will replace it with a proper emote at some point, I guess. This will be the scuffed emote as a start. Giggle giggle. I mean, better than nothing, right? No. Is it connected in that one? Oh, doesn't it? That work? Or is it because it's actually not connected or something? Well, it's going to require some more work then, but it's okay. Suppose I could do this quick, but I guess this one would call spicy or something. No, this is a bowl. Not confusing in the level of detail of drawing thing. I kind of had to figure out what I want to do. Everything here. What would be the zucchini ones? Would you have kept it in black and white? I don't know. I don't know if adding color to it ruins its charm. Did Palma need something spicy? Yep. Fun eating a piece of cake. Very fun. Eating some lettuce. Like a good bunny. Guess I'll connect them next time. Which I guess it is tricky with this art style, I guess you would say. Is that not all lines are connected everywhere, and some lines might overlap in many ways. So what should we color the what thing? Tricky. Like that. I wonder if I want to make the flame gradient. Thank you for following Shade Ancient Dragon. Someone heated a Carolina Reaper pepper in a burger. One point accidentally ate Olivian's burger. She tried to be a bit sneaky. She learned her mistake. Or did she? There. So I could make this flame a gradient. Wait, why don't I have... there we go. Perfect. It's the best emote that I've ever made. Well, let's export this as a emote. I guess at some point I will do it properly. Obviously, that one is not proper. No, it's one when it's perfect. You can never change it. Oh no. Maybe this is a mistake. No, percent pieces. Oh, yeah, and then because I actually don't have any more spaces to... Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay, let's put this on Switch then. But I have to remove one, you know. I have to remove one because I don't have enough slots. But I mean, I have some redundant ones. Okay, which one would I remove? I do have Hue Hype. Okay, I'll remove Hue Hype. I'll keep the shaking ones. I have Shake Hype and Shake Thing left. The Hue ones I'll remove first. They are a bit on the boring side. There we go. Spice one has been added. 1.17 spicy. What a silly one. Okay, let's see. What do you wrote here? So what would Ponpon need to eat because this reaction? Oh, it's something spicy. I once went to a restaurant, ordered pork ribs. They let you choose how spicy you want them. No spice, mild with black pepper, medium jalapeno, hot serrano, very hot habanero, and MAMF Carolina Reaper and ghost pepper, short for adios. Mother F. We cannot see what that stands for. What do you mean self-censoring here? Even though fun saying those words. So did AMF even had to sign a liability waiver before I could order it? Oh, but I finished them, they were good. Momentarily lost my eyesight while doing so. You're crazy. Are you kidding? Or even is insane. Oh yeah, there we go. Those ones. I mean, at the smallest size. I mean, it probably looks better on mobile. On the smallest size, it's kind of weird. Well then, I guess that concludes that. I don't have anything more to add. Oh yeah, right. The Fluff got a Durfee one like oh that's right. So I guess there is I got my version now. But for the Ponpon version, like for the actually properly drawn version, I could still do a bit of an extreme reaction still, like a silly reaction, just to keep the silliness of it. Yeah. Even if it doesn't look as ridiculous as destroying, yes. Because destroying looks quite silly. Which was the point. Oh wait, I should show. Oh, I should show what I'm doing. You're streaming. Me showing what I'm doing. Well, so I'm trying to make it less wide. Can I do that by squishing these together? No, that's not what I wanted. I guess. Okay. Maybe I keep that just for its imperfections. And then on this side, I'll just move this closer. And with that, so less wide, I guess it to be. The larger it will become because height-wise. Marshall Silver in the monthly raffle. You have one ticket. It's gonna get exciting. Oh, you kidding? I'll probably do it again too. I'll do it again. There's another restaurant around here that serves burgers that instead of burger buns, it's served between two grilled cheese sandwich. Oh, that's interesting. That's interesting for sure. Let's copy of this. Selected. But I have to save it as a GIF. That's the issue. I'll save the spicy too. So if I were to compare these two, I don't know where with that one. There is no spicy, the current spicy, and this huge difference. But it has more pixels to work with, which is all I want. Does it look better? Yeah, but this has more pixels. Maybe I'll leave it as it is then. Maybe it's fine as it is then. Even though it's kind of hard to see what's going on in small scale, but yeah, whatever. Recall that one of the we do make very much. Just the reference. Don't need to save the actual document. There we go. I feel like I'm happy with that. Would you like to? Would you like to read out? Would I like to read out? We had fun today. And in the Ponton dress, and I added a new outfit. I added a new stupid emote. I played some with Kochi. I tried to do a custom DLL, but that completely failed. So, but I tried. It's silly emote. Why do you want to stay for a read? We should go and read. Oh. Burger bun, burger bun. Oh, is that how you refer to the burger bun? Who haven't we visited in a while? But you want to use that for the rain message? Let's use it for rain message. Tell you have to be subscribed to use it. You can't purchase that one even with channel points, unfortunately. So we should go to someone who would find that one really funny. I don't know who would find that one really funny. We have it ready in the market. Unfortunately, so I can't. Recipe exactly. That's the message. We could go to Cinnamon. I don't think we've been there in a long time, and if we get a lot of people who are subscribed, that would include Cole, Poncon, or Remain. Yeah, Puerto Rico, if you would like to turn in, the more people who use it, the funnier it will be. I don't think we have any other subscribed person here who have recently wrote a message. Anyway, let's start the arraignment. Yes, the rain message is this one. Hope that I'm sure that's very funny. If it just shows as text, but you're still a subscriber, it will still work for you. It's just the main reason I added in there before the client doesn't like it until you refresh this client, which it will do when you get into specifically the chat, which it will do when you go into the raid. Thanks for streaming in. Thank you, TJ. Thanks for stream number 2. We're going to visit Cinnamon, who is a cute girl. Positive vibes. She's really happy and positive and things, unless she's playing a online multiplayer game against other people. I guess you're still trying to stay positive. Funny. Yeah, there you go, Cold. Nice. Oh yeah, now ready for episode heat? We're gonna get some flaming hot bunny. And for non-subscriber, I guess you can pick anything else you want. Fun day today, fun. Love, but you've been fun, Cold. Remy's been fun. Kochi was fun. TJ's fun. Puerto Rico is fun.